Single-serve coffee makers have continued to stand out for the convenience of making a single cup of coffee in just a few minutes. No waiting for a pot to brew or wasted leftover coffee. A good single-serve coffee machine should deliver a tasty, hot cup of coffee just the way you like it without a lot of hassle. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best single-serve coffee makers in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Keurig K Elite. This machine from Keurig took the top spot in our tests and brewed the best tasting coffee. It was consistently flavorful, full-bodied, and smooth. Its easy-to-use control panel has simple buttons that allow you to choose from 5 drink sizes, from 4 to 12 ounces, and regular, strong, or iced brews. But take note, the serving size options on the control panel aren't clearly marked with ounce numbers. There are only pictures of cups at different heights. The owner's manual was clear and easy to follow, helping our testers quickly identify how to brew a cup of coffee. Out of all of the coffee makers we tested, the Keurig K Elite boasted one of the largest water reservoirs at 75 ounces, or about 9 cups of coffee, meaning you won't have to refill constantly. If you prefer to use your own ground coffee, there's also a reusable filter attachment that can be purchased separately. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Single-Serve Coffee Maker. If you're short on countertop space and want to save money, the BLACK+DECKER Single-Serve Coffee Maker is a compact brewer with a modest price tag. There's no fuss with this machine since it has just one simple start button and automatically shuts off at the end of the brew cycle. We found the included 16-ounce travel mug useful as a measuring cup to fill the water reservoir. The machine will brew all of the water you add, so make sure you measure your coffee accordingly. The included reusable filter was easy to remove and clean. And all non-electric parts are top-rack dishwasher safe, so it's extra easy to clean up after making a cup. But beware if you decide not to use a travel mug. During our testing, we noticed that when using a regular mug, hot coffee would often splatter while brewing. Number 3. Ninja CM401 Specialty 10-Cup Coffee Maker. Why limit yourself? This specialty coffee associate, certified one single-serve coffee maker can fill your travel mug with regular coffee as you're dashing out the door on a workday, but it will also make specialty brews, froth your milk for lattes and cappuccinos, and let you choose your own cup size with a simple dial. Choose from classic coffee, super rich, or brew for serving over ice. Since this doesn't require pods, you can buy your favorite coffee beans from a boutique local coffee roaster or buy inexpensive grocery store grounds to save money, while still making interesting coffee drinks every day of the week. Number 4. Keurig K-Cafe Single-Serve K-Cup Coffee Maker. There's no doubt about it, brewing coffee with pods is convenient, and there are more and more types of coffee available every day, along with tea and other beverages. But this coffee maker is more than just convenient. It can also brew concentrated coffee shots with the push of a button, so you can create coffee house-style drinks at home, or choose to brew a stronger cup of coffee whenever you want it. The frother cup gives you hands-free frothing of milk, skim milk, soy milk, or almond milk, and the cup is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning when you're done. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 49976 Flex Brew Trio 2-Way Coffee Maker. On one side of this machine is a 12-cup glass carafe for when you want a full pot of coffee. On the other, a single-serve brewer that works with both ground coffee and coffee pods. The single-serve side brews up to 14 ounces when using ground coffee, which is more than enough for 1 cup of coffee. You can also remove the plastic cup platform to fit a travel mug before your morning commute. Unlike many single-serve machines, the Hamilton Beach Flex Brew does not have a water reservoir for the single-cup side, so you will need to pour a cup of water every time you want 1 cup of coffee. Some customers also question the machine's durability, noting that issues arose around 1 year of use. That was our list of the top 5 best single-serve coffee makers just for you.